Okay, this is a quick unboxing of a Tangzu Waner, and let's see how this goes. So there's the box with a nice waifu on the front. That's the Waner SG. And let's see what we got here. So we have a waifu cleaning cloth. It's made out of silk or something like that. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Good cleaning cloth. And here's the IEMs. And we'll take a look at these. Nice display. And we'll put these off to the side for a moment. Take a look at what else is in the box. There's a cable, obviously. It says cable on it. And that looks like an okay cable, silver cables, inexpensive. See if we can undo this. However, we can undo this. And it's a decent cable. It's pretty common, inexpensive, but it's decent. It's got little rubber ear hooks, pretty tight though. Hopefully they can loosen up a little bit. We'll just wrap that up real quick here and continue. That in there, that in there. There's no documents. Absolutely no documents whatsoever. We'll take a look at accessories. It looks like all the ear tips. There's quite a few of them. All kinds of different ear tips. Large, really big. Nice ear tips. Silicone ear tips. They're not what I use. I use memory foam. Those are decent little earbuds. I can't even remember what they were. They're the, I think they're a single dynamic, aren't they? Single dynamic driver. Now I've got another set of these with tips on them already. We'll just switch that up and we'll fit the cable on there and whatnot. We'll see how they fit on there. Not the easiest fit. I guess that was fine. And the medium tips. We'll give those a try. They have a decent sound signature. They're a really good performer. Lots of bass, smooth mid-range, nice treble response, nice detail. Very good for an inexpensive IEM. And so that's my unboxing and first look at the Tangzu Waner SG. Thank you.